The annual When Koala Meets Panda China-Australia short video collection is coming. The theme for this year is reunion. Friends from Australia and China can finally meet again after 3 years COVID separation. Grab your phone, create a 30-second to 3 minutes short video to win a trophy, cash rewards, or even a cultural trip to China. Check our official account for more details.
Koala Meets Panda!
The first time I went to China was in 1972.
First time I went to China was 1983.
Hello， 大家好，我是来自澳大利亚的 Amy。这个视频是为了我的澳大利亚和外国朋友们，我想跟他们分享中国文化。It's amazing.
As an Australian with half Chinese blood, the yearning for a sense of belonging to Chinese culture.
今天我想告诉你为什么我爱中国。
As you know, Chinese people are known for their food.
I even got to try to make a few characters and to make a painting of my own.
在中国的大城市，生活节奏很快，一切都生机勃勃。
Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about the differences between Australian and Chinese culture.
It's a kind of Chinese martial art, which originated in southern China and rapidly growing in Sydney.
What do we have in common between Australia and China?
Here, right in the centre of Sydney, we're able to experience a classic and traditional Chinese garden.
This Chinatown tour is focused on telling the stories of Chinese Australians.
Looking forward to your story of reunion.